connect an Ethernet cable to the back of your Synology NAS, and then also connect that same network cable to the back of your laptop or desktop, whichever system you're going to use to download the software. Next, you want to go to Synology's website, Download Center. You're going to select your NAS device model. And there's an area for desktop utilities. You want to grab that, and you want to go to Synology Assistant and download the one for, in this case, Windows. Then you're going to run the installer, and once the installer is completely done, it's going to automatically search for any NAS devices on your network. And in this case, I need to enable an additional option because of the version of software on my NAS. And once I do that, execute another search, and then you'll see that my NAS shows up. And then I want to go and figure out which software that I need to download from Synology in order to do this upgrade. So you connect to your NAS and then go into the control panel, and you'll see the current version of your DSM or operating system for your NAS. Mine's 622 here. Then you'll want to go back to the Synology website, select that, and then select the most current version. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do for the upgrade path. So I download each of these 3 files and then proceed with the upgrade. You just do a manual browse for the file. And here I'm going to double check that I do have the correct file. And I do. And so I continue with the upgrade. And it doesn't take that long for each one of these files to upload to your NAS. It's a fairly quick process. So here you can see I have it sped up so we don't have to wait through it. It wasn't probably 10 minutes, probably more like, I don't know, maybe 5 to 6 minutes to actually do this. And in my case, I had to do 3 different files in order to complete the entire upgrade. So after each one, you log into your NAS, and it gives you some of the information about the changes for that version of the software. And I pretty much just skip through all of the information because it's of no interest to me. And once I do that, I'm going to go back in and again select the manual update button in the control panel and then select the next file. So in this case, I am going to select the second file that I need. And again, go through the same process, which is, and I'll double check the file here, and upload it to the NAS and let the install run. So we're going to let this second one complete. And then after it completes, again, I'm going to get the login prompts and then have to log into the NAS again so that I can go ahead and select the, in my case, third and final file for upload to complete this upgrade process. So after the second one, again, I'm logging in and I'm going to skip through any sort of dialogues that it brings up because I just want to continue with the upgrade process. So back to the control panel, and I'm on to the third and final file that I need to upload to my NAS. Just double checking that I have the correct file. And then start the upload process. And again, it's going to go through the standard, like I said, probably 5 to 6 minutes, somewhere in there. I might be underestimating that, but it really doesn't take very long to do it. And once this final one is uploaded, I will go ahead and log in and check the final version on my NAS to make sure that it's correct and that everything looks good. Back into the control panel, and sure enough, the version is as expected. So that's how you do a manual upgrade.